Sagira, you got some meal. You better hurry up and give it to her before Frankie calls you a toy hog.
Thanks, Sagira, your pal Pip. I was just showing the card. Frankie can just have some patience. You guys ready?
What'd you get in the mail, Gary? Star, let her have it. Oh, what is that? Stay out here.
Star, come here.
What is that, me girl?
What do you got, Star? What's in there, Sagira?
Sierra, what Star? Get out.
See, she can have the toy.
Star, what is? Or Sierra? Yeah, Star. Star, what is that? Sierra, what'd you get? You got the treats, Gary. You got the treats, Gary. Star, show Sierra what she got. Look what you got, Gary.
She says, no, I'm just going to destroy it.
Star, show Sierra.
Sagira. Your toy. Go get it, Sagira. Go get
Sierra,
it,
get your toy. Oh my goodness, Gary, what is that? What'd you get?
Star, come here.
Let me see. Sierra,
Sagira, what do you got? Show Mom.
what do you got, Gary? Oh, her tail's going. She likes it. What is that, Boca? Sierra, what is that? What is that? Is that a shark? Oh my goodness, Gary. You trying to squeak it? Does it squeak?
She's looking for a squeaker. Sharks don't squeak, Sagira.
Oh, say thank you,
They
Pip,
say
for the shark and the treats. Uh-oh.
Now she's making a shark
Star's
noise.
gonna steal it. Uh-oh, Star stole it. What do you think, Poke? Say thank you, Pip. Thank you.